In this video, I will show how to download and install Java on your Windows 11. So just open any web browser and type here Java. Now here click on download Java for Windows. Now here click on this green button, download Java. Now save it on your desktop or any another folder, then save it. Now double click on this setup file. Click on yes. Now click on install. Now wait for few seconds. Java is found everywhere on mobile phones, desktop computers, Blu-ray disc players, set-top boxes, and even in your car. By installing Java, you will be able to experience the power of Java. So, download and install. So you will see you have successfully installed Java. Now exit and restart your system. So this way you can download and install Java in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching.